Hey guys, this is Hampton Bay Farmington 1 of 3, a remake. This looks different than it did before because now it has a light kit on it, which is just pull chain controlled and also controlled by the light switch. Hey, the night vision on my camera kicked in. That's pretty cool. I got a new camera and, oh wait, no, it's not night vision. There's like one blue light on the desk that's lighting the room. It actually looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna do the whole video like this, but I might do the startup like this. Let's just see what it looks like. All right, well, first I think I gotta change the direction of the fan. Let me turn the light back on for that. All right, let me make sure the switch for the fan is on too. Does not look like it is. I think that was it. Turning on both switches here. Just to be sure. All right. Huh. That wasn't there before. Sounded kind of rough. Maybe I'll do that for high, just like a part of it, because that's pretty cool. Let's bring it up to medium. I think this is the loudest of the... So far I've done this one and the second one. I haven't done the third one yet. So I'm not sure how loud it's gonna be, but this one sounds like it's gonna be the loudest. Well, that's got a pretty nasty wobble to it. I don't know how well it's coming across on camera here. It's not terrible, that light kit. It's just a little wobbly. Cutting high just a little short because of that wobble. But yeah, this was the biggest upgrade for this fan now. They just put like a generic 3-way light kit on it. It doesn't have a cool crystal globe one like the third Huntington 3 Quick Connect does. And you know, quite honestly, like the Quick Connect, I imagine this is a pretty basic Hampton Bay fan. This definitely gives off really basic Hampton Bay fan vibes. I mean, granted, like basically all the Hampton Bay fans are pretty basic, but I actually kind of like this one a bit more than I like the other ones because, I mean, I just hate modern fans. Like, they all suck. Even like, oh, maybe not like all modern fans, but like the super modern ones, like ones that don't have like actual blade brackets that look like this. I don't know. I just, no. I think I've gone into length about this in other videos. I just can't stand them, man. What's it called? I had a thought and then I lost it, so that's no good. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, much more of a traditional fan kind of guy. Always have been. I mean, there are a few modern designs that kind of intrigue me, but like the Fanimation Enigma, I wouldn't mind owning one of those, but I would probably never go out of my way to get one. It's one of those fans that like, if it comes with the house, like, oh, cool, you got an Enigma ceiling fan, but if not, then I just don't see the point. Like traditional, contemporary fans, those are my jam. And not all contemporary fans either, like the ones that still kind of resemble the traditional like style. like within like the design of the fan with like the blade arms and whatnot. I don't know. I'm just kind of talking out of my ass here. All right, well, I switched the fan direction. Let's go into reverse now. This thing is like really like rough sounding with the pull, with the chain. Like, it sounds like it's buzzing when as I pull it. It's really weird. And I don't understand it. All right, let's go up to medium. Okay, if I like pull it out to the side a bit, that makes it a little better. So that helps things out a bit. Definitely moving some air. All right. What's it called? If you're wondering why they decided to add a light kit on it now, the room that this fan is in used to be kind of like an art room, like media, like filming area. So they kind of relied more on natural light. Not necessarily for filming, but it was like more of an art room, so they relied more on natural light. But now it's more of an office space. So they need like an actual light. All right. So now I've left it in the position it was at, off in reverse. So I'm gonna turn off both of the switches that I know are the thing. Oh, I realized I forgot to do the blue light thing on high. I'll do that at the end, so let me turn the switches back on. Again, I don't know which one is for the fan or not, so I'm just turning both of them on. I'm assuming the other one is either for closet light or maybe an outlet. I don't know. They were all off when I got in here. No, they're all on. Does anyone know when the Quick Connects like initially came out? I think they're still for sale. Like, you can get new ones now still. But like, when did they first start coming out on the market? That would be interesting to know. So if anyone knows when these things came out, please let me know as well. And do us a favor, let everybody else know in the comments section as well when these things came out, for those who don't know. This is probably one of the most cramped rooms with the fan in it. Still, it's cool they have it in the first place, but still. All right, we're gonna be stopping here any second now. Okay, so now we're gonna turn that off. And let's see how this looks on, sorry for the flickering, on high. You can hear that hum. That's actually pretty cool. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And remember, stay cool, everybody.